Imagine waking up one morning to find that every glacier, every ice sheet, and every frozen tundra on Earth had melted away. No more polar ice caps, no more icy mountains, just water. What would our world look like? How would it affect us? And could we survive such a dramatic change? Stick around because today we're diving into the world of what if all the ice on Earth melted. First, let's understand the sheer amount of ice we're talking about. About 10% of our planet's land surface is covered in ice. That's a lot. Most of it is in Antarctica and Greenland, with glaciers scattered across the rest of the world. This ice holds around 70% of the world's fresh water. Now let's dive into the impact of all this ice melting. If all the ice on Earth melted, sea levels would rise by approximately 70 meters, or about 230 feet. That's enough to submerge many of our coastal cities and reshape continents. Places like New York, London, Tokyo, and Mumbai would be underwater. Entire countries, like the Maldives, would disappear. But it's not just about sea levels. Melting all that ice would release a massive amount of fresh water into the oceans, disrupting ocean currents and weather patterns. The polar regions, which currently reflect a lot of sunlight due to their ice cover, would absorb more heat, leading to further global warming. It's a domino effect that would make our planet much hotter. We'd also experience more extreme weather. More heat means more energy in the atmosphere, leading to stronger storms, more intense heat waves, and unpredictable weather patterns. Agriculture would suffer, making it harder to grow food. Water sources would become scarce in some regions, while others might face severe flooding. Wildlife would be drastically affected too. Polar bears, seals, and other animals that depend on ice would struggle to survive. Entire ecosystems would be disrupted. Species would either adapt, migrate, or face extinction. So could humanity survive this? We're incredibly adaptable and innovative. We'd likely develop new technologies to protect coastal areas, create floating cities, and improve our food and water management systems. But it would be a massive challenge, requiring global cooperation and significant changes to how we live. Picture this: cities with towering seawalls, floating neighborhoods, and advanced systems to manage rising waters. We could develop vertical farms to ensure food supply and desalination plants to provide fresh water from the oceans. The melting of all Earth's ice would force us to rethink our entire way of living. But beyond technology, we'd also see a shift in human behavior. Communities around the world would need to band together, sharing resources and knowledge. This unprecedented challenge could foster a new era of global cooperation, where working together becomes not just a choice, but a necessity. Scientists would be at the forefront, studying the changing climate, developing innovative solutions, and finding ways to mitigate further damage. This could also accelerate our efforts to explore and possibly inhabit other planets. The quest for survival could push humanity to new heights of discovery and exploration. While this scenario might seem terrifying, it's important to remember that we still have time to prevent it. Reducing our carbon footprint, protecting our natural environments, and embracing sustainable practices can help us avoid this catastrophic future. We all have a role to play. So, what if all the ice on Earth melted? It would be a world of challenges, but also opportunities for us to come together and innovate. Let's take care of our planet so we never have to find out. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into the hypothetical, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with your friends. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next adventure.